before I even go back into explaining more of this, I want you to check this. Okay, look, your Google AdSense personal identification pin number. Wow, straight from Google AdSense. Okay, so this is it. Now let's get into it. Why? Okay, all right. Now the whole idea here is that Google AdSense is a publishing, it's for publishers. And what publishers are? Publishers are people who own website and are able to add the Google JavaScript, which means that Google codes on them, so that ads will be shown on the website and it will give like ads to people that visit their website. And what is amazing with it is that you get paid for using the AdSense. Hope you get me clear. The whole fact is that AdSense receive, Google AdSense receive money from advertisers. Now, what I can say about it is that they don't own enough space. They don't have a lot of space to show all those adverts. So they sign a deal with webmasters, with website owners, application owners, software owners, and all those people. And what's normally happen is that you incorporate the ads in it so that people that may use your website, your software, your application will get access to the ad, then click on it to purchase, to get more information and much more. So those advertisers pays money to Google in order to get a lot of visitors to their website, a lot of users on the application, and a lot more. So far, that is how those people also make money. Imagine I have an e-commerce website and I ask Google to advertise it for me. Well, they will surely publish it on somebody's website. Okay, not only on their softwares and games and all those things, but also that will allow me to have people coming to my website to buy things and a lot more. That is why you can see from certain website that there is some small snippets of ads, maybe for Jumia and many other e-commerce website. Okay, so maybe let's say I'm in need of a mobile phone and I get to a website where I can see a nice mobile phone from Jumia as an ad over there. What I simply need to do is click on the ad and then buy from Jumia. Jumia gets customer for using a Google AdSense. Jumia also pays AdSense for publishing those ads. So it's a win-win situation. Now, Google don't have enough space, so they see webmasters like us to grant them that space. Then they have a deal with you. It's like, okay, John or Heward Studio, maybe for having that website, we would love to, you register as in our program. Then anytime somebody click on your ads on your website, on the ads from your website, we give you 68% out of the money that they paid for it. You understand how the whole concept works. That is where Google AdSense comes into play. So if you own a website, you have a software you can incorporate. That means you have to first write to Google AdSense for approval. When you check things up and see, you can get the AdSense, they give you the AdSense, then you incorporate them into all those things, then you start making money out of it. But when you start making money out of it, it first depends on impression. That's what I sell. In fact, when I rate around 23,000 and some other impression, well, the payment I received this. There was some payment. They first told me that if I want to receive my money, I have to first receive my PIN, and that is what I have today. So you can see from here that they sent me this letter. It came to my mail. And I have to pick up a code out of it and insert it into my Google AdSense. So out of it, you will see I don't know if you can see that there is code.